Welcome back to Now with PT. Let's jump right into the latest results in enterprise tech. PT tested the NEC Express 5800 series fault-tolerant server. This server, which uses third-generation Intel processors, offers hardware-level fault tolerance. Our experts found that it processed over 2 times the orders per minute of a competing solution that used software fault tolerance. And it recovered from a service interruption with 0 downtime or performance loss. If you want to run Hadoop analytics workloads, you need to focus both on the performance you need today and the ability to scale as your needs increase. Max tells us about a unique Dell solution and how we tested it.
So we ran a traditional Hadoop workload on a single PowerEdge FX2, and we added a second PowerEdge FX2 to complete the same workload, and we wanted to see if the performance would scale, and we saw that it scaled linearly. PowerEdge FX2 is a good choice for businesses that are looking to get started in Hadoop. It has everything in one package, so you're good to go right off the bat.
We set up and ran various workloads on a VMware vSphere cluster using Nutanix software-defined storage. We documented it all in a step-by-step installation guide that includes best practices for implementing this solution in your data center. As your virtualized infrastructure grows, the time and complexity of performing routine tasks can increase dramatically. Greg gives us the lowdown on the benefits of managing your infrastructure with Dell Fog Lite for virtualization.
We compared 2 virtualization management solutions, the Dell Fog Lite for Virtualization Enterprise and the SolarWinds Virtualization Manager. Management tools are important in a virtualized environment because it can save considerable time to an IT admin team. It can help automate some of the tasks so that they're not having to manually go through each VM and perform the same function over and over. It can help schedule certain tasks so that they can be done in off-peak hours without the IT admin necessarily having to be there. And a lot of the optimizations that Dell Fog Lite for Virtualization offers helps you maximize efficiencies. We found that the Dell Fog Lite for Virtualization Enterprise Edition provided more automation, took less time, took fewer clicks, and offered greater functionality than SolarWinds Virtualization Manager.
When PT gave Dell Pro Deploy a try, new Dell hardware solutions were up and running faster and more efficiently when we used a Dell Pro Deploy engineer than when we did the job ourselves. This can be great for companies that want to deploy new Dell hardware because it can ease the burden on IT and speed the delivery of new services. Our experts also compared how long it took to deploy data center services using 2 popular tools. Setting up a cluster with Dell ASM took less time and required far fewer steps than the HP OneView solution, and ASM's interface was more intuitive. Is it time to refresh your aging legacy servers and storage solutions? We recently evaluated the cost efficiency, space savings, and performance gains you could realize when you replace your servers and storage with a Dell PowerEdge FX2 solution. Devon is here with the details.
So we tested an FX2 solution with Virtual SAN 6 versus a HP legacy solution with a traditional storage array. It is different in a sense that it's a lot smaller. You could have your compute, your storage, your networking in just a simple 2U unit. The FX2 with VMware vSAN 6 was able to provide more operations per minute, better performance per watt, and it was also able to reduce our space to only 1/10 of the previous space we were using with the legacy servers.
Last but not least, PT compared the virtualized and bare metal database performance of SoftLayer to that of Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure. SoftLayer's performance was equal to or better than all of the competitors. It was also the only solution to offer a bare metal option, which could increase performance dramatically by eliminating resource contention. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.